The book2net Kiosk is a self-service book scanner for public and university libraries. An embedded PC, a large touchscreen, balancing book cradle with spine exemption, and environmentally friendly LED lighting make it perfect for readers who want to scan different kinds of materials. Our scanning software is highly intuitive, letting library visitors digitize easily and efficiently. Users can select frames, scan in multi-page mode, or change color depth and file format. The kiosk is intended for active everyday use. Therefore, the heavy-duty book2net camera is built without any mechanical parts to avoid downtimes that may occur when using a regular camera. Due to the high-end matrix sensor, the kiosk offers a large depth of field and a flawless scan quality. Using the book2net kiosk, you can capture a book of 100 pages in 4 minutes. Imagine scanning the complete Lord of the Rings trilogy in under 1 hour, including a coffee break. Hundreds of libraries across the world rely on the kiosk today, proving it to be the most universal document scanner. Contact our headquarters in Germany or find a local dealer in your country for free consultations and an offer.